So this is what your remote looks like. Let's go ahead and swap it out. With a new housing. Pop the back cover off. Got your battery in here. Take a flat tip. Put it in a little corner. It'll pop out. If it doesn't pop out, get you a smaller flat tip, or I'm just going to use my little knife. Put that battery aside. They're going to get a new one. Now, right here on the corners, like here and here on the inside, is a little metal tab. Sometimes you can take a flat tip, get in there and get it. Sometimes you can't. I just prefer to take the old vice grips and bite onto it. And you notice I rotated. Got that side. Pull it down. Come back to the top on this side. Now this side doesn't want to play nice. And there you go. Now you got the little tang right there. Take your flat tip. Snap it back. Snap it back. Come on the other side. And we got the last one right here. Now, take the two halves apart. Circuit board, make sure it's clean. Make sure you got no pocket lint. This is a case from Best. No sponsorship, no promo. Just showing who I'm using on this one. Get your 3-pad, bottom pad. Drop it in. Take your back half. Snap it together. Let's go ahead and put a new battery in there. It's not product placement, just quality battery. Put the back half on. Take your new side. Make sure it's heated. And squeeze together. That side snapped up there. Snap there. Snap there. And there you go. From that to that in a few minutes. Thanks again for watching, and remember, let's be safe out there.